Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna start with the what is today? Today is Feb 25 and today is Tuesday. Okay, so let's proceed on to the screen first. And on the Friday, I shared a trade on the gold. We can have a look at the Friday's video. We said that we wanna move higher and take out this high, and we eventually did that. So it was a nice setup for us. I didn't place it on my account because I was not really present. I was busy somewhere else, so I was not trading the markets at that particular moment. So I didn't place it. And for now, today, we're gonna look at firstly, we're gonna look at France 40. I'm gonna open the forex.com chart, okay? Can have a look at the other brokers as well, but they are quite different over here. So we're gonna have a look at this one. And also we got 8 cap over here as well. So multiple. Which one should we prefer? We have pepper stone over here as well. So I'm gonna be looking at forex.com charts. So what I'm looking at over here is we are in an uptrend, right? We are in a serious uptrend. So we have obviously been gone through many other stuff like this. Support turned resistance, very simple logic. We provided support over here, and again we provided support over here as well. So what I wanna see is I wanna extend this price action over here. Okay. I wanna see this high getting supported. This high should support the price. And what I see over here as what I see over here as well as we have made some sort of liquidity over here for us to have a clear target for us. So this can be a really nice liquidity level. We are gonna be aiming for the highs, but I'll just exit over here, okay? And since we got this demand zone over here or support resistance on support, we're gonna be backing up that with this order block over here or the demand zone. If you look at this, and we can possibly have a trade over here as well. So a very simple trade for us. And clearly the market is trying to build some liquidity over here. This was some good amount of liquidity, and possibly we have some liquidity over here as well. Okay. We look onto the shorter time frames, the 1 hour chart. If you look at this, we are building some relative equal lows down here. So we want to tap into this order block on the daily chart and then move higher. Okay. So it's gonna be a 2.42 RR trade over here. And that's gonna be a really nice setup. But I wanna see some rejection over here as well. I'll just have a look at it when the price closes. When the price goes below this level, I'm gonna have a look at it. But what I feel is this is a really nice setup for us. And we can pump really higher from here. Assuming that we have left some serious liquidity over here, right? We left some liquidity and we want to move higher. So for that reason, I want to place the trade once we tap into this demand zone or the order block, whatever you can say. Since we have started providing support through the old highs and through order blocks, we are trying to be in an uptrend, and I'm going to be seeking this high as a liquidity point. I'm just yawning, okay? It's afternoon right now. Was busy in the morning, so was not able to take on the trade and was not able to take one of the trades. If you look at ESP 35, I think ESP 35, FXCM chart, Iberian index. I shared this analysis that I was looking for this down close candle to support the price higher, even though we had some liquidity, but I was not looking for it to take out this low. I was looking for it to take out this high, but I'm not really sure if I shared it or not, so I'm not gonna confirm it. But for now, we are looking at France 40 on the forex.com chart, and what I see over here is we wanna move higher. We're gonna move higher, but it's gonna be a total soup over here. Forex.com, you can have a look at this. You can do all. So we just got news on the alt pair, okay? So this is gonna be a really nice setup. If we can sustain this level, then obviously we can make some higher highs over here and take out this level as well. Also, we have tapped in the weekly fair value gap, so you wanna close on to the weekly fair value gap exactly at the high. So once we do that, we're gonna get this level over here, this demand zone, which should support the price higher. And irrespective of anything, this should be a really nice setup. And if you look at the FXCM chart, it's the same thing over there as well. You can look at multiple brokers to have a quick view about things. And I'm going to start with the monthly chart. Monthly chart, the high, old high over here is supporting price, right? So we once we close about this, the Feb 3, after the Feb, we tapped in over here and we supported the price directly higher from here. And after that, price is fractal, right? We have started moving higher. So this was the high over here. Once we close above this, we started supporting the price higher. And if you want to move higher, this is what I'm expecting. The price should sustain this level over here now. Whatever initial reaction we had from this should be sustained. And we should be taking out the high very soon. You look at the 4-hour chart, we got some obvious liquidity over here. So this can be a good target for you as well, or you can trail your stop loss to really close to your, I would say, really close to the level where you want to exit. And on the forex.com chart, it's the approximately the same high, but you can have a look at the both the charts at the same time and consider whatever exit you want to have. So what I'm looking at is right now, I want to go a bit lower on the hourly chart if possible, and then move towards the high, which is this one and then this one. So these things can happen, but the forex.com chart looks really nice to me, and there is some obvious signs of liquidity over here, some liquidity grab over here. The 4-hour level is supporting price higher as well. So that's the thing, guys. And what I'm saying over here is this down close candle will play a very huge role in supporting the price higher. And so this is one of the trades which I am seeing right now, and another one will be gold. I think we saw it right now. Okay, this one is gold over here. Let's FXCM or what? Let's FXCM. I wanted this to make a new high, but we're not able to do that. So right now I'm not passing any comments on this chart since I'm not able to have a look at it right now properly. And the only thing we are gonna have a look at is France 40. This looks really nice to me. You could have entered over here as well on the weekly fair value gap, encapsulating the 4 hour order block as well. And today is Tuesday, so it can be low of the week as well. And Monday tapped in this level, okay? So we can have other look at the other brokers as well. 8 cap, that's not really nice. Radio looks nice to me, and again, if we can tap into this demand zone over here, we'll be looking for higher prices. But what I feel is there is a really, really good chance that the market is not going to sustain this level and move higher from here. But that thing should be kept aside. And what I feel right now, what I see right now is it should not be able to do that. I'm seeking another liquidity below us. And once we do that, then I can confirm that the market's gonna move higher. Okay. So right now we don't have anything, but if the markets can go to this level, then obviously we can have a trade over here. And it's gonna be a 2.42 RR, so that's a nice one as well. And the other one we can have a look at Euro USD. I'll just have a look at it today. I'm opening the FXCM chart and we'll start from the top to down analysis. Monthly chart, if you look at it, monthly is bearish recently. Weekly has been bearish, but we have gone into a kind of consolidation from the past 1 month. And on the daily chart, we have turned out to be pretty much bullish from the 15th of Jan. So from the past 1 month, we have been bullish. Not completely bullish, but yes, we are bullish. And on the 4 hour chart, we are turning out to be bullish. But I'm not able to see anything very clear over here, so I'm not gonna pass any comments. So for now, we are seeing having a look at France 40. We can move higher from here because we have taken out some liquidity. And but the best opportunity for us would be when we tap onto this demand zone. Just make it demand. Okay. And an imbalance over here. So it looks nice to me. But there is a really good chance that we are not gonna tap in lower, and then there is a really good chance that we might go higher from here right now and not wait for the liquidity to be grabbed below us. So that is a completely different picture, and we're gonna be out of this trade. We're gonna be not trading. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep trading and have a self belief that you can do it, and focus on your setups. Take A plus setups. This can run lower. That's why I'm not ready to pull the trigger over here. But that's it. I'm just gonna wait for it, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep trading and goodbye. Not goodbye, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.